Hello, today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to an aftermarket Pioneer radio. So if your display looks like this, first you make sure your vehicle's on, so this is all powered up. Then from here we could go through settings or through your phone here. Let's try settings, and then your Bluetooth, and then your connection. And then here, there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to, say, delete a phone first before you can add a new one, just to make space. But that's it. Now we'll do the search. Then from your phone device, make sure your Bluetooth is on, which is that symbol, and then often if you press and hold that, depending on your phone, it might pull up a pairing menu, and then go to your scan or pair new device. And then from here, we can see that my phone is listed. So we'll just have to wait for my phone to find it now. So hit pairing, and that was it. So now it's got these random numbers it pulled up, which do match. You can sync up your phone book, contacts, things like that to make taking calls easier. But so we'll confirm the pair here, and then confirm yes on the radio end, and now we're paired. So now you can take phone calls, things like that. You could listen to music. Some models of Pioneer, you might also be able to sync up maps and things like that for navigation. But that's everything. And if you're having issues hearing your music, I mean, one thing, double check your volumes on your phone as well as on the radio itself. And then from your main screen, you might need to make sure you're within your phone options, depending on what you're trying to do. And if you're having issues getting it pulled up still, maybe check through your different sources to make sure you can play your music. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.